that way to fly away. For anything. Paperweight. Paper plates. 150 on the ice skates.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexi. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and a review on the new mascara for Lilly lashes. So I've heard that this mascara is great, so let's hope. Well, we don't want to say my address, do we? When I got this in the mail, this is what it looked like. Excuse me. But I got an itch and that I can't scratch. Okay, so I've been waiting to film this video to open this up, so I'm actually really excited right now. And I got a couple pairs of lashes. I don't know if I'm going to use the new ones. If not, the Minocos, I think they're called. Those are my absolute favorite right now, so I will be wearing those if otherwise. I do have the Goddess ones and the Miami Light. So here is the mascara. It's really cute. Black XXX mascara.
Go chasing that money. I ain't been asleep in 3 days. Can't waste my time.
So far, I really like this. And normally this isn't my typical brush, but this is giving me volume and this is giving me length. I really like this mascara. I'm just going to let that dry for a second before I do my bottom. I really like this mascara. I'm not even just saying that.
Get that money 'cause I need it. Got all these hoes in here bleed.
So now that we know that, I love this mascara, and this is definitely my absolute favorite mascara now. Like, in these pictures, they look crazy when I just took them. Okay, so let's do my other eye.
Yeah, the G-way. I bet you ain't never met a nigga cut like me.
They're gonna make their falsies go out of business. That's how you know your lashes are long, because look at, I just got some black stuff. There's also gonna be a tutorial on the look that I did. This is my go-to look, so I am gonna have a tutorial with this look that I just did. I just actually filmed it right before I am doing my mascara tutorial. So like when I do my bottom lashes, if anybody does want to know how to do the lashes, I just swish the shit back and forth, and then I go like down. Oh, my mouth real big. In the top, I just go up. Sometimes I'll swish the brush around, twirl it. But I try to blink my eyes so that I can get it as straight up as possible. So yeah, this is definitely it for sure. So this is officially what I look like with full face B, and I also have just mascara on. I have no lashes yet. So I just want to get into some of the things that I got. So here are, yep, I did get the Mykonos. I'm not sure how to say these, but the Mykonos Light. And I got a free pair of lashes because they were doing a sale, buy one get one free. Ooh, these are really pretty. And I got to pick out which ones that I wanted. You didn't have a choice of every kind that they have, but you got a choice of a good amount. And these are in Dallas. Here they are. Premium synthetic. I really suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell because you never want to miss a video from me. And I also encourage you to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is x_Lexdoll. That's now my channel name. It used to be Lexdoll Beauty. It's no longer Lexdoll Beauty. Here is my profile right here. Woo woo.
Yeah, we poppin'.